Hi, I'm Neil Manchester, and this is TouchPoint, our BioTouch video series where we share real stories and conversations in the healthcare field. Because every patient, every sample, every delivery we make, every kit that we build, every touchpoint has a purpose. In each episode, we talk with experts and thought leaders about how we're working together to touch lives and improve outcomes. Today's episode takes us to the red carpet at the Executive War College, where Robin Hooker talks with Erwin Berthier of Tasso about diagnostic testing at home and how a lab problem became an idea and then an innovation and ultimately a solution that has helped millions of patients. This is TouchPoint. Genetics, what are we talking about? Now for the interview. The backdrop is the Executive War College in New Orleans, a leading conference for lab operations and management. Robin led a panel discussing healthcare logistics and diagnostics, and this is a follow-up interview. Here's Robin and Erwin.
All right, is it good? Yeah? Check. All right, good deal. Erwin, we're here at the Executive War College. We just wrapped our panel on taming the specimen logistics beads. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your role at Tasso, and your innovative device.
Yeah, thanks, Robin, and great panel.
Yeah, thank you for joining it, for sure.
So I'm Erwin Berthier, so I'm a co-founder of Tasso, a company we founded with my co-founder Ben about 12 years ago at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, actually. We now moved to Seattle.
Great.
And really my main job is to make sure that we're ahead of the curve when it comes to innovation. Both from a strategic point and tactical point, making the best blood collection devices out there, making sure they're used in the best way possible and they meet the market demand.
Right. Your device is innovative. Tell us a little bit about how it works and what was the idea? Like, how did you and your partner co-found this and turn it into, a product and a first iteration all the way to what we have today, which is, 2 million collections that have been successful?
It's kind of a fun story because we started as students. We both had the same students, or PhD students in the University of Wisconsin. We both had the same problem of accessing blood samples to do our research.
Collection at home was difficult. People were not showing up for
that's right.
Patient service centers and phlebotomists.
This was kind of a university research environment. And so we really started as a frustration nights and weekends type of project. The American science funding has been really amazing with the NIH and DARPA. We were able to get
DARPA funded you.
Yeah,
that's incredible.
So that was transformative. It really allowed us to take something that no one really believed in at that time. Particularly in the whole Theranos era.
Theranos, that dried up funding for a lot of players.
And that it made every scientist around distrust that these kinds of samples can provide great diagnostic results. And so we spend a lot of time just investing in the science of it. Mm-hmm. And then, when that barrier was overcome, that's when we started to do a more commercial approach to the market, getting our devices in the hands of people.
Yeah.
And what we're seeing driving things today is patients talking to each other. It's not rare now that I take a flight and sitting next to a person that says, oh, my sister, my brother, my aunt tried this device.
Wow.
So it's really cool to kind of have these conversations.
Let's talk about patient experience, because that's part of this, is the caregiver or the at-home caregiver or patient themselves. They're getting a different experience than, I used to use the term that the venipuncture is the tip of the spear for diagnostics. This is not a spear. This is not an aggressive device. It's a different experience in terms of giving blood for a sample.
Well, first of all, blood collection has been something that hasn't changed in so long. It's really an area of the healthcare space that is in dire need of becoming more patient-centric.
Yes.
But I think there's another trend that's underlying a lot of this as well, which is patients are kind of, when you have Amazon and all of these convenient services, patients are expecting something more consumer-like.
Yes.
Their access to healthcare.
The Amazon experience, the Domino's visibility and tracking and knowing the Tasso device is on its way.
It has to fit into your life and not the other way around.
Yes.
And so that's a key to patients doing their diagnostics, accessing their healthcare. And so, we're really happy to be a part of that trend.
Through logistics efficiency, your kit and your device are becoming very competitive to the true cost of taking a patient, possibly medically frail, to a collection site, exposing them to who knows what, versus being able to have care in place, home health, versus monolithic centers, right? It's a new way of looking at how care happens. I know BioTouch is helping with the kitting behind the scenes. We're designing and helping you design an optimal patient experience for the unboxing. And you've got digital instruction for use and material, and it's well laid out. Very, very nice design.
And more and more, I think the logistics are going to be part of this whole aspect as well.
Yes.
But, talking about cost, it's also an interesting aspect, which is, we have to replace what exists today. But really, to me, the vision is that if you do the preventive care in the right way, you're offsetting a lot of really expensive procedures.
Yes.
And so, it's true that we have to think about the cost of things today.
Yeah.
But I think we bigger picture is better care is also going to ultimately be more cost-effective care.
Future is probably more frequent diagnostics, tracking and trending, at-home collection, enabled by your technology. And during the panel today, we mentioned YouTube wouldn't happen without this little guy, a camera phone that can capture video. In a lot of ways, home healthcare diagnostic specimen collection is really being innovatively supported by your technology that you and your co-founder kind of came up with, being faced with a problem, which is like really exciting because you're not from the US originally, but you're here bringing innovation to the US, right?
It's a country that I've now learned to understand is driving innovation in a scale that I don't see anywhere else in the world. So I'm happy to grow the coming year. But I will say that we have a big international presence, and we're working with BioTouch in Europe as well.
Yes.
So
Canada, Ireland.
Yeah, it's the need for more personalized diagnostics is universal. It's the US, it's everywhere. And you mentioned more frequent testing. I wanted to kind of come back on that really just briefly, but to me, it's not necessarily just more frequent, but also more personalized. I think we need to tailor health to anyone's specific needs.
That's right.
Whether you need a clinical chemistry test or an Alzheimer's test, we have Ken from
Neurogen. That was amazing.
You have to have the right test that fits what you need as a patient.
That's right. Erwin, it's getting noisy here at the conference. It was great meeting you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for joining the panel. Thank you for being a partner with BioTouch.
Yeah,
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this edition of TouchPoint, a video series by BioTouch. Look for more videos from our company on our website and also on our YouTube channel. Our goal is to educate and provide helpful content. Please leave a comment, like, and share the video.